Okay, I just found this new feature in Recraft AI. Basically, we can combine two completely different pictures together, and then later we can reuse the same style that was created by the merging of multiple pictures, and we can create a unique AI image with that particular style. So it is a feature called My Styles, but it has been upgraded. So now we can actually control what is the most dominant style in the style that you just created. I think it's a bit difficult to explain that, so I'll show you how you can use it. Okay, first you have to click image when you're opening the Recraft editor, and then go to the model right here. And after that, you have to navigate to My Styles, and this is just a few styles that I just created on my Recraft account. Now click create a style, and then here you can upload a few images that you want to combine together. So for this example, I'll try to combine this picture, which is from the movie Barbie, and this picture. Yeah, I think it was quite a phenomenon back then. So I will try to combine the style of these two completely different images, and then later we can fine tune what style that you want to make more dominant on the AI generation. So let me close this first, and I'm going to upload the picture. Let's try the Barbie picture first, and after that I will try to upload this picture. Now, as you can see here, it says 50-50, but as I said, you have the control. You can make, let's say, Barbie 70%, I mean, Oppenheimer to be 30%. You can just click on this separator and then drag it to the left or the right, depending on which picture that you want to make more dominant. So let's try making it, let's say, 70%. And here you can write some prompt about the picture that you want to generate based on this setting. And by the way, I forgot to mention that you can actually change other settings and add another prompt right here, but it is completely optional. So let's try creating a picture of someone that is working with a laptop, and then generate as image, and we should be able to see a more dominant pink color from this picture. And then later I'll demonstrate if I do the opposite, where Oppenheimer's photo here is going to be more dominant. All right, this is the picture. It's a bit darker because of this picture. It has still some influence over the result. Now let's try the other way around. Let's try making it more dominant to 70%. And by the way, you can actually set it up to 90%. But you cannot set it to, let's say, 95 to 5%. It is not quite possible, but 90 to 10% ratio is actually big enough. And there you go. Yeah, it's actually pretty funny looking at this picture, because this is much more dominant than this. So after that, if you're happy with the setting, you can always save the style, and remember to always rename the file or rename the style. I'm going to call this one Barbenheimer, and click Save Style. And there you go. Now we have a style that will follow that particular new style that you just created by combining two different pictures. Now I will try again, maybe this one for someone that is working as a lumberjack. Let's adjust the aspect ratio and create the image. So I would imagine that this is going to be quite useful to make a more creative approach when creating images using AI. You can create a completely different picture that has different styles, and it's going to give you a unique look of the picture. So yeah, I think that's pretty interesting that a lumberjack, which usually looks very manly, but wearing something that looked like it was coming from the Barbie movie. So yeah, I think that's going to be an interesting feature. Go ahead, try this feature on Recraft AI. And by the way, if you don't have any account on this platform, you can sign up for free using the link in the video description. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.